Welcome! In this video, I will demonstrate the design and functionality of my final year project artifact. This artifact is in the form of an Android application and is called Sawcast. Sawcast has been created to assist people who suffer from chronic joint conditions such as arthritis. Specifically, its goal is to forecast the chance of pain by assessing weather and environments. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will emulate the app using the Android Virtual Device feature that's included in Android Studio. Specifically, the application will run on a Google Nexus 5 that is using the latest version of Android. To begin, before opening the application, users are met with an appropriately designed logo which matches the colors and themes used in the app. As you can see, it features a cloud with several strips of green. Creating a memorable logo is important, as users can thereby easily find the app within their phone. Upon opening the application for the first time, users are asked for location permissions. These are essential as they are used by the API to gather current and predicted weather conditions. Once agreed, users are met with data regarding their current location. They are directed to observe the current chance of pain, as this is the most prioritized piece of data due to its positioning and font size. The text color of pain chance reflects its significance: green for less harsh conditions and red for high chances of pain. These linguistic term meanings and font color choices are described on the How It Works page, which will be later discussed within this demonstration. Users are also given the calculated chance of pain in a description below. In this case, there is an expected 27% lower chance of pain, given the current weather environment. Calculation methods are detailed within the project report. Following conventions of other comparable weather apps, the user's current location is listed at the top of the page, alongside date and time. Weather conditions are listed at the bottom of the page to give the user context for the given pain chance result. Here we can see temperature, wind speeds, air pressure, and humidity values are displayed. I will now demonstrate how to access the How It Works page through the menu. The menu can be opened either through swiping from the left side of the screen or from clicking on the hamburger icon at the top left of the page. How It Works page can be accessed by clicking on the relevant link. This page details how each weather environment can influence the chance of pain. This page was made using an onboarding format due to how easily information can be conveyed to the user. Each slide on this activity is assigned a title, image, and description. Following app standards, the current slide is denoted at the bottom of the page using the shaded circles. Users can either swipe or use the back and next buttons in order to access each slide. By going through each slide, we can see that higher levels of humidity, higher wind speeds, and lower air pressures can all contribute to increased chances of pain. These pages all feature relevant symbols that correlate with the material of each slide. Images have also been made to match the color theme of the application. Users are also informed of the linguistic pain chance range, including what colors are affiliated with each term. As can be seen here, when the users reach the last page of the slides, the next button transforms into a finish button. Upon clicking, the users are returned back to the home page. From here, users can either swipe from right to left, or they can similarly click on the Forecast tab to access the future pain chance predictions for their current location. Pain chances are displayed on cards which reflect 3-hour intervals for the next 5 days. Each card includes the date, time, the day, and the exact calculated pain chance value. Users can swipe anywhere within the green highlighted zone to alternate between cards. It can more prominently be seen here how the use of text color has been used to convey the expected chance of pain. Here we can see that high pain chance values have been denoted using orange text fonts, whereas low and average values are denoted using black or dark green fonts. The last tab of the homepage is the search fragment. Initially, this page is empty until users enter a valid location in the search bar for results to be generated. The application utilizes a pre-made list of locations and is therefore able to suggest locations based on the user's current entry. For this demonstration, the user will search for current pain chance values in London. It can be seen here that the relevant term has been generated. Upon searching for this location, relevant data is generated. It can be seen that the page mimics the design of the first fragment. Doing so keeps consistency of data representation within the application, following several of Nielsen's usability heuristics. Next, I will discuss the Pain Tips page. This page can also be accessed through the menu. It must be noted here that usability guidelines are followed, as each link within the menu is designated a relevant icon that represents the material found on each page. I had met and conversed with several health specialists in order to obtain the advice displayed on this page. These tips are general and broad, such that they provide users on what areas they should focus on in order to reduce pain felt. Each piece of advice correlates with an image that reflects the tip. As with all pages that are accessed from the menu, users can exit the page either by using the back arrow at the top left-hand corner of the page or by using the device's back button. As explained in the project report, it is important to supply users with various routes regarding how they can complete the same task, catering to a wide range of users. Whilst it was not a requirement, I had attempted to implement a settings page once all other functionality had been established. This page can also be accessed through the menu. As you can see, it was given its own subheading in order to separate it from the other pages. Originally, I wanted to give the users the choice of changing measurement values. This would include changing the current wind speed from meters per second to miles per hour, or even changing temperature values from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Unfortunately, as this page was not a stated requirement, and the fact that there was limited time left within the project, I had decided not to implement a functional settings page. All material discussed here is thoroughly detailed within the project report. Overall, I feel that SORCAS does satisfy the established requirements to a sufficient standard. There are many areas of improvement and potential added functionalities that the application could have. These improvements are also discussed in the project report. If you have any further inquiries regarding the functionality of the application, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a nice day.